Hello, to traders. Good morning. This is 12:44 a.m. So, I believe that market, a new day market, a new market will be starting by around 1 a.m. in the morning. So, let me sell again. So, I'm showing you for some of you guys that have been asking me how 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 that have been asking me if you can use my strategy to trade gold. Now, today I'm trading gold live as you can see. Now, look at what I'm doing. See, what we are just doing now is just, movement, a little movement in a direction of gold. So, as we've been trading our trading style, we don't, we wait for the sniper entry, we take it and get out of the market. You understand? That is the idea. So now this is our goal now coming in our direction. So where should we take our TP? TP should be closer to that place. That's the first TP because there's a level there and the market may react. Oh, look at that. The price has even broken below that and it's coming down. And that is that. You taking gotten more than $2 plus. Now, I enter with 0.01 for you guys. Are you getting it now? And from here to here now, we've earned $1 plus, and I enter more. So, if you have $10, you can trade gold, but you need this strategy to enter at a sniper entry. Now, let me show you something now. Now look at this. Here there is a crossover here. We have a crossover here. But if you look at this place, see the market has been consolidating. Here, market has been consolidating. So let's be realistic. Let's assume that there is a crossover here. The yellow line cross down, then the blue line on the mark the cross down here. Understand? So that is where we have this blue candle going up. Then you will have sell. You understand? You will have sell this candle. Understand? So you will have sell this candle, and you see the market keep coming down. Market keep coming down, and what you should do here is this: when market goes up, is an avenue for you to sell at this region. At this region, you see, to keep selling because here there's a level here. There's a level there. Understand? There's a level here, so it's a region to keep selling. And look at it. So then when the market come towards this side, what did I do? I went to 5 minutes. I check what is happening on 5 minutes, and I see that okay, market is doing a kind of retracement downward, and that's why I enter sell. I enter sell. So that is that. So our TP should be here, although we've already hit that TP and the market is going back upward. So that is that. And if you look, if we back test it on 5 minutes, you see here there's a cross above here, then there's a cross in here, then the market go big. Understand? So if you enter 0.01 there, that is a big money for you. Understand? So and that is it. That is it. That is just how to do it. So let's see if we can enter more trade. Okay. So now we don't enter anyhow. We enter at our sniper entry. when the market asks us what to enter. You understand? So let's go to 15 minutes. We are on the minor uptrend on 15 minutes, but the yellow line is doing as if the yellow line is trying to cross down as you're seeing it. So let's see. Okay. So on 5 minutes, let's see if that yellow line has crossed down. That's it. Okay. Now the yellow line just crossed down now. You see the yellow line just crossed down back now. So let's put another sell signal. But if you see on 1 minute, it has already crossed down on 1 minute. So two things may happen here. The price can first of all go up, then come down, or keep coming down straight. So what are we going to do? And I'm showing you how to trade now. We'll enter on the 5 minutes immediately. There's a crossover on 5 minutes. So showing selling as we have selling position on 1 minute already. So what can happen now is if this price tries to go up, we'll keep selling. We'll sell. Understand? So sell. So but I believe the price will come down. So let's see. Now I want you to understand one thing. You see that immediately we have on 5 minutes, immediately we have a crossing here. I just enter once. I enter once here, apart from the one I've entered, the one I enter early here, I enter once here. So be careful, don't enter more than what you can lose. Understand? So what you should do here is to wait for the price to do its own thing. So when the price goes up against you, you sell. Understand? Okay. So I'm going to pause this and I'll come back. Okay, guys, so look at what is happening now. Now look at that price. The the price goes up, then I enter two more at the top there. So can you see what is happening? So that is just it. The price goes up against me, and I enter two more, put two more entry. So that is how to flip your account because we enter at the sniper entry. Are you getting it now? And that is that. So what we are waiting for is just the price to want to come down a little bit in that direction. So because there's a rejection here, there's a rejection here. So there is a buying force around here. So and the reason why we are entering more is because we just have our crossover. So and when we have our crossover, there is also a selling force above there. So the market should, but don't let me use should because that is what the market should do. But market supposed to want to come down a little bit for some time, even if it's going to go up. Understand? And that is just it. So this step index strategy is my strategy, and I've mastered it very well, and it has helped me to understand how market reacts, behaves at the point of crossover. And there are sometimes there is a fake crossover. You need to be patient and wait for confirmations. Understand? Wait for confirmation. So can you see what is happening now? And that is just it. So we are going towards $2 and we just enter 0.01 and 0.01. We are just picking small movement, and that is what we are after, just small movement. If we want to go long in the market, I get now we'll be using higher time frame as you are seeing it now. Understand? So we can use we can't go long in the market because the market is trending up. Now, so let's go to 1 hour. Let's see. Okay. So let's go back to 1 minute. Okay. Okay. So this is what is happening on 1 minute. Okay, it's coming down. Okay. So let's take this out. That's very close to loss. Let's take that one out. Remember what I told you, that we want to be stingy with our money, so we don't want to lose. We don't want to lose any money or lose much to the brokers. So okay, let's go to 5 minutes. Okay, let's go to 1 minute. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to pause this, then we'll come back. So now this is a power of gold. Are you getting it now? This is a power of gold. So can you see what is happening now? The gold go up against me, and I use the opportunity to what, to enter more sales. Understand? So I'm expecting this price to what, to move down. So this is the first candle, uh, the opening candle for a new day. Okay, so okay, so now, so let's see what will happen. So this is the first candle for this day. Can you see what is happening? $11 just now, and that is it. So it's fluctuating, it's coming down, it's coming down. So let's see. So I expected this to what, to come down like this. So, but market can't be predicted 100%. So we are just taking that movement. So let's just take all these $11, $12 is okay. So that is how to what, to trade it. So, but one thing I wanted to understand is this: we, what I did there is this. I use this crossover here, understand, in conjunction with 5 minute candlestick. So to what, to enter trade. Now here the uh yellow line and the BB also cross down the 50 moving average. Then I know at least for some time the market will come down, because our setup, everything here is saying sell. The MACD also is saying what, sell. You understand? And here we are below, just cross below the zero line of MACD. So we have it selling first, and that is it. So if you enter, try to sell from here to here, like I say, it's not bad. Understand? So if you have enough, I just enter 0.01 there so many times, and my margin is around 40 something dollar. So when you have like $50, so you'll have done the same thing I did. You'll have do the same thing I did. Understand? So, and that is that. But if you have $10, like $10, $20, $10, you can only enter two lot size, because one lot size for the gold is around $4 plus. So, and that is that. Understand? So dollar, with this strategy, for you guys that have been asking me that can you trade this with gold, yes. So it's even much more easier to make money in gold, because this strategy will help you to make money faster, because this strategy is a sniper entry. So when you enter at that exact point and the market goes up in your direction, you earn big. Are you getting out with small movement, and you take your profit and wait for other opportunity of sniper entry. And you can do this so many times. Imagine you do this, you know, conservatively. You don't want to be too greedy, and you are doing this. Let's even assume that you are getting $1.5 per one setup minimum, uh, and you do this 5 times in a day times five, that is $7.5 in a day, and you trade days, 5 days. Understand? That is $7.5 in a week, and you do this for 4 weeks. That is, you are what, getting $150 in a week with just $10. And what I just did now, what I did $1.5 is just for one entry, one lot size 0.01. I get it now. And for that small, when you enter with sniper entry for that small movement, understand? Get this. Let's even say at worst you target $1. You do this 5 times in a day, then for a week, 5 times in a week, 5 days in a week, that is $25. I get it now. Times 4 weeks, that is $100 in a week with just 10 um 10 dollar. I get it now. So, and one good thing about this is, the more, let's calculate that $10, uh how many percent, how many, what is the loss size, how many percentage is 0.01 of $10? Am I right? Okay, times, that is 0.1%. Are you getting it now? 0.1%. Now, when you have your money, you've grown your money to $100 for that end of the week, when for for uh for the months. Are you getting it now? You can what, you can increase your lot size times $0.1 divided by 100. So instead of 0.01, you now start trading with zero point 0.1. Are you getting it now? 0.1. So when you use zero point 0.1, then your profit per trade will be $15. Are you getting it now? $15 per trade times 5 in a day, times 5 in a week. That is three, yeah, 335. You get it? So 335 in a week times 4 weeks. That's $1,500 for that second week. So plus the last week, that is $100. That means you make $1,600 for 2 months. Are you getting it now? It's not bad. Starting from what, $110, and we will be trying this. So I'm going to do this compounding challenge for my next video, and I'm going to, we are trying things, so I'm going to try it, and we want you guys to want to try it along with me. Let's see how far we can go. Understand? So that is the secret. The secret is not compounding. The secret is not flipping. What I just did in the video is just to, for you guys that have enough. Can you see? Look at that profit now. Can you see that our prediction is very right and the market goes in our direction? So you can even leave the market, put your, secure your profit break even, and let the market keep rolling in your direction. Are you getting it now? So that is that. So now what we'll be doing is, in my next video, trading gold. Are you getting that? We'll be doing that for gold and step index. Those are the two markets I'll be recording for. And what we will be doing is, we'll deposit like 10 to 20 um dollar, then we'll stake 0.1% of the money. Are you getting it now? Then we will target our profit if per trade. So if our profit per trade is at least, it should be at least $1. Yeah, that is it. And we'll do that 5 times in a day to target $5 every day. Then we'll do that every day, every week. And as we are doing this, we will be compounding our lot size. So that what that one means is this: that if we get if we get $1 per trade times 5, that is, we do it 5 times in a day, that is $5 in a day. Are you getting it now? So our capital will now be plus $10, that is $15. So for the next day, we are going to compound it. So our next day lot size will not be 0.01 again. It will now be times 0.1% divided by 100. Understand? So it will be 0.015. So I don't think they can allow 0.015. Let's see if we can enter 0.015. Can it? Okay. Okay, it's not allowing 0.015. It can be 0.2. So what will happen is we will wait for the next day. So the next day, that will be $5 minimum, so making $20. So when we get $20, then we'll increase our lot size. That is will be times 0.1% divided by 100, that is 0.2. They will increase our stake to 0.2. You get it? And when we are targeting 0.2, you know what our target profit will now be for that day. So our target profit will no more be $1, it will be $2 or $3. Understand? So that is the compounding we want to be embarking on. So I will want you guys, if you are watching this video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like the video, because when we start the challenge, understand, I want you also to follow me to start the challenge with me as I will be doing it. Are you getting it now? So as I will be doing it, so, and that is just it. So thank you very much. Bye. Please subscribe to this video YouTube channel and like this video. So if you are interested and you are happy to see me to start the challenge, just comment below. Just comment that yes, let's do this. Let's start the compounding challenge. Just type let's do this. I get it now. So thank you very much. Bye.